No known species of reindeer can fly, but there are 300,000 species of living organisms yet to be classified. And while most of these are insects and germs, this does not completely rule out flying reindeer, which, conveniently, only Santa has ever seen. There are 2 billion children in the world, but since Santa doesn't appear to handle Muslim, Hindu, Jewish, or Buddhist children, that cuts the workload down to just 378 million, about 15% of the total. At 3.5 kids per household, that's 91.8 million homes. One presumes there's at least one good child in each. Santa actually has 31 hours of Christmas to work with, thanks to time zones and the rotation of the Earth, assuming he travels east to west, which seems logical. That works out to 822.6 visits per second. Let that sink in. Which means for every home with good children, Santa has 1/1000th of a second to park, leap off the sleigh, slide down the chimney, fill the stockings, distribute the presents, eat the snacks, get back up the chimney, and move on. 1/1000th of a second. Assuming the 91.8 million stops are evenly spread around the Earth, we're looking at 0.78 miles between each household, a total trip of 75.5 million miles, not counting stops for, shall we say, personal necessities, plus feeding the reindeer, and etc. That means Santa's sleigh is moving at 650 miles per second, 3,000 times the speed of sound. For comparison, the fastest man-made vehicle ever built, the Ulysses space probe, moves at a pokey 27.4 miles per second. A regular reindeer tops out at 15 miles per hour. Now let's talk cookies. If every home left just one chocolate chip cookie and a glass of 2% milk, that's roughly 225 calories per stop. Multiply that by 91.8 million homes, and Santa consumes over 20 billion calories that night. In pounds gained, that's 2,950 tons in one night. The payload is where things get really interesting. Assuming each child gets just a medium Lego set, 2 pounds, the sleigh is carrying 321,300 tons. Conventional reindeer can pull 300 pounds on land. Even granting that flying reindeer can pull 10 times that, we still need 214,200 of them. The total payload? 353,430 tons. 4 times the weight of the Queen Elizabeth. 353,000 tons traveling at 650 miles per second creates enormous air resistance, heating the reindeer up exactly like a spacecraft re-entering the atmosphere. The lead pair of reindeer will absorb 14.3 quintillion joules of energy per second each. In short, they will burst into flame almost instantaneously. The entire reindeer team will be vaporized within 4.26 thousandths of a second. Santa, meanwhile, will be subjected to forces 17,500 times greater than gravity. A 250-pound Santa, which seems ludicrously slim, would be pinned to the back of his sleigh by 4,315,015 pounds of force. So, in conclusion, if Santa ever did deliver presents on Christmas Eve, he's not alive now.